Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to scan a QR code using your Apple iPad Pro 2025. Here, as you can see, we have our QR code, and now at first we have to place our QR code somewhere, and we have a couple ways of doing so. The first thing, we can open the control panel. Here, tap this plus in the top left corner of the control panel, tap Add Control, and search for the scan code. Now we can tap in the background, tap on the scan code, and here we have to have our QR code and this frame. The second, way easier, way faster, is just to open our camera application, which I don't know where it is now, because here, as you can see, I do have a lot of applications, but we can type camera and open the camera. Now let me open my QR code, and what we have to do now is just to navigate our camera. I don't know if I can show you this very well. Navigate our camera to the QR code, and here we can see this yellow thing, which should be linked to the website. From the QR code we can tap consent because this is our website, and as you can see here we do have some website because I don't have the ad block. Consent again, and here, as you can see, we have some meme. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.